Here's how to get gold notes on Instagram. So getting gold notes on Instagram is pretty easy and simple. Just watch the video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, open Instagram. And once you're in Instagram, what you have to do is just basically go to your DMs. And once you're in DMs, here you will be able to see your option of notes. You just gotta press on notes. And once you're in notes, here as you can see, if I put down anything normal, just like 1, 2, it will be a normal note here as you can see. But if I delete it and type something related to the gold or like Olympics, and it would change it to gold. So let's say if I want to write something related to Olympics, let's say a medal. If I type in medal, it would automatically change into gold here as you can see. So there are some specific words if you want to get golden notes. So as I showed you, medal, you could basically type in goat or maybe even champion. Let's say I'm gonna write goat now. GOAT. And here as you can see, it's gold again. You could basically write 2024 games too. Here as you can see, 2024 games. It's again gold. So yeah, you could just use emojis too related to like sports or like Olympics. So let's say if you want to like put in these emojis, you could basically put a goat and a medal, just like that, and you could just basically share. And here as you can see, they also turn into gold. So yeah, this is how you can get gold notes on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.